tried making a squishy ball, but instead of using a balloon, we're using a plastic bag because I have no balloon. But yeah, so what you guys will be needing is a plastic bag or a balloon, some baking soda, some cornstarch, something mixed with, and shampoo or food coloring, and some water because I'm doing it in the bath. So yeah, so we're gonna put in the baking soda and the cornstarch and mix it all together. So yeah, I just added it. I put some cornstarch on the bottom and then some baking soda. Now we're gonna mix it up. I have a knife. It's a plastic knife for kids, baby knife. Okay, so yeah, where I need them. So I'm wrap up this plastic. It should look like that, and I have the shampoo. So this is it. Just gonna open it. Next, I use the colored one, and we add water. So this is what I turned out with this. I had to add more cornstarch and baking soda, so it can come like this. So yeah, now we're gonna put it in the bag. I'm just washing my hands. So now we're gonna put it in the bag. So this is what it came out with. It's super squishy, and I love it. So yeah, so I hope you guys like my videos and subscribe. Bye.